Hello my friends, welcome to Trading HIBISCS. Today is 13th of June 2025. So today big news this morning, early morning during the night time okay. This Israel actually organized and this airstrike okay, aircraft attack into this Iran okay, aim to dismantle all these nuclear facility So many nuclear facility already being hit, okay, and not only nuclear facility, ballistic missile facility. Also these scientists are also being hit okay, these nuclear scientists and also this high military what do you call it, military officer So we hear that there are scientists being killed and also high ranking military officer being killed, and also these facilities okay, being bombed okay. So according to this Israel according to Israel they say this Iran is very near to develop this nuclear missile okay. Maybe within weeks or maybe within months they already managed to create nuclear missile and they say the nuclear missile most likely will be pointing at them but all these they just claim nobody for sure know who wrong who right but the attack already taken place okay, attack already taken place okay. So and Iran say they will, of course they will retaliate last time it just show of force this Israel flew a few drone into Israel into Iran, and now Iran also flew quite a lot of this missile into Israel okay. But now this is real attack Israel already took out a lot of this facility, already bombed a lot of facility in a building in Iran so Iran will retaliate it seems like they want to go all out war but not easy to go to war with Israel because in the middle there's still other country they are not borders, they are not to, I mean they are not border to each other so in the middle still got Syria, all this so we want to continue and see what is the development okay. So according to Israel, they are self-defense according to Iran, they say they are not making nuclear bomb but we are nobody sure but the attack already took over and the market is fear okay. When fear happen, safe haven, gold, US dollar, Swiss franc, Japanese yen, probably oil, commodity, all those normally will go up okay. Those risky investment, okay, Bitcoin, stock market, indexes, all those normally will go down this is why they call risk on and risk off now it's risk off okay, because we already got trade war, not enough, now we got probably another war brewing we want to see how strong this Iran can escalate I mean can retaliate okay. So if we retaliate full force, then maybe this will be maybe a longer term I mean a long maybe how do you call it, a war, maybe a longer term war it's not only airstrike might turn into war, but war not easy as I said, there are country in between these two countries so probably they are doing airstrike using missile but we wait and see okay. But confirm Israel already attacked Iran early in the morning okay. So we want to see what are the opportunities. Remember last week I told you right, I said this week watch energy. Not that we got 6 cents. When we see the chart happen like this, remember I told you, give me the chart, I'll tell you the news, right? So I'm not saying this, I know what is the news, but I know some big news is coming because most of the time when this pattern, this happen, this will happen, okay? When A happen, B will happen, okay? So normally it will happen like this. That's why I told you last week, I said, I'm not like, after this happen, I do video come out, tell you, you see, I already know that energy will go up because of this backtrack and tell you what I have about what I saw last week but now only let you know after it happened but remember okay, I told you last Saturday, watch energy, right? Okay, so this is what it's not that we got 6 cents superpower because when we see the chart do something like this, normally something big is going to happen something is going to happen okay. So that's why okay. And another sad news Okay, over 200 people died. This India, one of these India passenger aircraft crash okay, and it's a Boeing unfortunately, and you know Boeing now they got this bad rap for crashes okay, so now Boeing start to drop again but Boeing drop is not a big issue I mean the big the big problem, I mean the fatality a lot 200 over people also so sad that one. Disclaimer. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, look at global. Okay, KLSE 1518 dropped 8.5 points, 8.51 points, 0.557%. Singapore dropped 0.275%. Hong Kong dropped 0.594%. South Korea dropped 0.87%. Japan dropped 0.888%. Thailand dropped 0.525%. China FTSE dropped 0.658%. China SSE dropped 0.754%. China SXSE dropped 1.096%. Australia dropped 0.207%. Taiwan dropped 0.964%. India Nifty dropped 0.681%. So all red expected okay, because possibility of the more escalation of a full-blown war okay, between Israel and Iran okay. So look at Europe, UK dropped 0.413%, DAX German dropped 1.460%. So weak also Europe. Look at US Dow Jones still strong but probably not tonight okay. Dow Jones up 0.238%, NYSE up Dow Jones up 0.238%, NYSE up 0.4%, S&P up 0.382%, and Nasdaq up 0.238%. Okay. Slightly positive slightly strong US still yesterday night okay. Tonight maybe will change okay. Crude palm oil 3,854, not really strong, but Brent oil already up 75, crude oil already up 74, gold 3,435 okay, slightly up okay. And silver not that silver, because silver already hit resistance at 36. Dollar against ringgit 4.2435. Bitcoin dropped 104 and Ethereum dropped 2.5 so Ethereum probably false break already came back down as we know okay, this could be a black swan event because sudden missile attack nobody can predict and also the US was negotiating with this Iran on the trade on this nuclear deal so this Israel took the initiative to attack so okay. So Bitcoin, okay, high risk investment, Bitcoin, crypto, stock market, indexes, all this is high risk okay, so drop it's expected so later we'll take a quick look okay. So look at Bursa today 1518 8.1 points drop, 0.56%. Volume also small today, 2.885 billion. Sentiment is 24, quite weak. Gainers 250, losers 764, unchanged 463, untrade is 944 Foreign fund yesterday net sell 127 million. Local institution net buy 175 million. Local retail net sells 48 million. Okay, most of the red heat map is red okay. Only this energy, energy sector strong lah. Okay, look at sector. Construction, all in percentage, construction drop 0.75, consumer drop 0.83, energy big rebound 2.01, finance drop 0.79, healthcare drop 1.65, industry drop 0.55, plantation up 0.38, property drop 0.9, rate drop 0.07, technology up drop 2.32, telco drop 1.0, transportation drop 0.8, utilities drop 0.4. A lot of siren today. You can hear a lot of siren. Okay, a lot of disturbance, probably a lot of tension. Okay, look at the chart. KLCI. Okay, KLCI yesterday we had mother and son, so today we drop below the mother and son. So hopefully 1005 can support. If 1005 cannot support, probably this looks a little bit like a bear flag. Okay, it could drop even further down. Okay, now it's dropping back. Hopefully 1005 can support. Okay, Ace market drop 0.8, so drop a bit but got tail was got some buying also. Mid cap drop 0.8 also. This one no tail, so looks like the downward momentum quite strong. And small cap also 0.93 drop, so looks like a downward momentum also quite strong. Okay, look at the sector. Energy, as we expect this one the flat pattern, so we expect it still probably still can go higher. And with this pattern form, right, it even, as I show you, right, it is look more and more like a head and shoulder also at the breakout. So looks, that's why I said looks something's brewing on this energy. You see this week. Okay, so that's why when we see starting to form this pattern, something is coming. Okay, healthcare quite bad. Healthcare probably make a flat pattern and drop below the support. I think healthcare going to drop some more. Okay, bad news for healthcare. Okay, look at Facebook. I got highlight this in the morning this energy stock. HIBISCS later we're gonna take a look. Grace, Patrick, HENGYUAN, HENGYUAN. Okay, Hawk and G-Tonic can hold or not. Hawk already dropped. Flat pattern drop below, not so good. Looks like it's slowly coming back down, not so good. I already hit the target already Okay, Hawk. G-Tonic. G-Tonic have to wait. G-Tonic because this Tata, right, they want to invest in facility, this semiconductor facility in Malaysia, right? So they're talking to, I think, DNEX and G-Tronic, right? Not mistaken. Okay, so G-Tronic now, okay you have to wait because all these big negotiations will not be so fast one as I said okay, last time when we want to negotiate a contract, right, it take months, even years sometimes so you have to wait and see It takes some time. Drop below 0.43 probably not KO already. Okay, this uptrend and if break below about 0.52, maybe it's gonna start to fly. So you take you want to watch Okay. Almas, check. Almas, you see breakout already failed already. You see auto profit here. Okay, already at around 90 cents already failed already. Okay. So probably so I continue to drop. So this one probably you have to out already at 85 cents. Okay, break even maybe you out because of breakout here. But long term it will fail doesn't look so good for now. No red color some more Okay. Stanley red again Okay. Watching the movie, watching the show cry Camila okay. Almost already talk already. Andy say he thought that Malaysia will follow US US is a father. US up a lot, Malaysia up a little bit. US drop a lot, Malaysia drop US drop a bit, Malaysia drop a lot. Very, very scary. actually not that bad lah. We already, during this trade war, we really have a short-term rebound considered really quite good already lah. Okay, really have a rebound, right? During this trade war considered good already, Bursa. Not that bad lah. Kami lah, set lah. Bursa up a little bit, drop a lot. Morning already, I already post early morning I already post okay, 7 hours ago lah, on the oil went up lah due to this Iran. This one I already say, caution Israel hit Iran okay, early morning I already post already this one okay. Andrew opportunity, okay, normally when there are fear in the market, safe haven go up, high risk investment go down lah, normal lah, okay. HENGYUAN coming Terry say Jenny, opportunity come, is opportunity coming, tak lao. Okay. Some say probably very fast we'll finish the war if US involved lah, US also strike lah. Now US is trying to stay out lah. Okay. Go night lah. Okay. Arifin, sorry, Arifin. Okay. These are news the sad news this many people died on the aircraft accident this one.
Air India Dreamliner crashes into Ahmedabad College Hostel, kills over 240.
So Boeing so this one. So Boeing big drop lah, expected lah. Let's take a look at Boeing okay, one big drop lah. Okay, so it can even drop back to here, but big support is 187 Okay, so air crash it's not guarantee always is the flame problem lah. Maybe sometimes pilot issue or some other issue lah. Okay, so I think, but there is a high probability the big support is here lah. 187 it might come back to here. So whether here can support, if here can support, maybe still okay. We have Boeing got a lot of new contract lah. Okay, so maybe still can go, but if it drop below 187, have to be careful lah.
Marketplace to shut down July 14th as Bursa launches Central Hub.
So it launched new service So Bursa Malaysia shut down on July 14. July 14 is a Monday okay.
Next to build IM 250 mil plant, strengthen footprint as regional ID solutions leader.
Okay, so you want to build this plant for this regional ID facility.
Next GBHD is ramping up its transformation journey with a RM 250 million capital expenditure to build a state-of-the-art high-security identity document manufacturing facility.
Next G Data Sonic last time okay. So next G is still stuck here so it still didn't manage to really break out from this channel. So if we got volume break above 0.385 then maybe but now it's still so not really strong trying to move but not really strong.
B Auto earnings miss prompts analysts to cut forecasts.
Okay, so they cut to sell from hold to sell to 78 cents okay. So B Auto still dropping so they expect it to drop even lower okay. Coming now at least 82 cents probably at 78 cents at 78 you have to watch this is very low support is around here maybe there will be a rebound but will not be bull market because now competition from so many cars coming into Malaysia lah. Malaysia is a small, not a very big country lah. So many car pack coming to fight for the market. So not easy lah. Okay, you look at the chart, you really know lah. You look at this chart, they tell you lah. Up by the staircase, down by the window lah. So you already know lah. Already crashed down already lah. Okay, you know the competition will be very intense lah.
Oil jumps more than 7% as Israel strikes Iran, rattling investors.
Okay.
Boeing shares drop nearly 5 PCT after Air India crash.
Okay. This one about the SST again. So a lot of, not to say complain, a lot of article, a lot of this organization coming out talk about this SST, the new SST.
Developers warn 6% SST on construction services could raise home prices.
Okay. So even the home prices also will go up lah. Probably yeah.
A planned 6% sales and service tax (SST) on construction services could lead to higher housing prices and market slowdown, real estate developers warned on Friday. The tax will increase the financial burden on developers already paying indirect taxes on materials and labor, potentially forcing a review of project timelines and prices. The Real Estate and Housing Developers Association, REHDA, said in a statement. We have yet to determine the exact impact, but we expect that the move will lead to a slowdown in the market, as developers make adjustments to their plans, said its president Datuk Ho Hon Sang.
Okay.
Bitcoin sinks as Israel escalates Iran standoff with airstrikes. Dollar and other safe havens rise as Israel strikes Iran.
I think I missed this one. Someone asked, Irene, say want to trade this gold. Okay, legally, you want to buy, invest, trade gold legally in Malaysia, you have to check with this CGS, my friend, this CGS advisor, you can check with him because this CGS got offer this investment on this gold investment and trading so you have to check with him what are the legal way to invest and trade gold. It's not simply go to those illegal services okay, illegal services. So there's a form at the bottom there, okay, CGS, you click the CGS, you fill in the form. When my friend call you, okay, you say you want to this investment, gold investment, so he will explain to you okay.
Dollar and other safe havens rise. Rafizi packs his bags despite Anwar's call to reconsider resignation.
Okay, so he's still living as the economy minister. Right?
Stocks tumble. Oil soars as Israel's strike on Iran jolts markets.
Okay. So stock market risk off, okay, risk off stock market, all these Bitcoin risk normally we drop okay. Okay, a quick message before I jump to the top gainers. Of course, the oil the oil related one. Remember, like, share, comment, support the channel. Okay, all the links are at the description area. Link to CGS, iTrade, TradingView, and this Luno. Okay, you use my link, you can get some reward, some discount, all these things. So don't, you want to open account with CGS to invest in Malaysia, Singapore, Hong Kong, US market. Okay, you can try CGS. My friend is a reminder, very friendly guy. Okay, if you want to buy crypto down there, then Luno. You want to open this TradingView, this chart software that I'm using, you can try the free version, paid version also can. You use my link. Okay. Okay, of course we look at the we want to look at this energy energy. Armada, let's see. Armada maybe 55 cents. I think better it cross. It has a kind of a head and shoulder, but if safer if we go through 55 cents. You see today also market not too convinced this will be a long-term war, could be just a short-term. You see closing hours they still sell it down, right? Okay, it went up, so it's not very market is not very confident yet on this some of this stock okay, some of this energy stock okay. So this one also not so confident, especially I think at least break through this downtrend channel, or the best is 53 cents. Jarimin also it went out a bit then came back down okay, also not so good. Dayang, you see, we got hammer here. Dayang, the best is 2 ringgit I think 2 ringgit is still the big resistance but now it's still okay as long as stay above here. It's still okay but not very strong it stay above 1.8 still okay but I prefer it to be above 2 ringgit Volume 3 million to 11 million. There are some volume okay, up but these are the not. I'm not so keen okay. Dillium are quite high okay. 1.64 very near to this top here. I'm not very keen also, but still got some momentum. Dialogue also dialogue as long as stay above 1.45 probably you have a small rebound but no red color, but it's rebounding from 50 still okay okay. The one I like more is HENGYUAN HENGYUAN red color momentum came in, rebound at 50, RSI 50, volume 500 over 1,000 to 5 million so big volume and as long as stay above 1.78 is good. If we can break 1.95, then he broke this downtrend, maybe we got bigger gap okay. If he cannot stay above 1.78, be careful. If he drop below 1.61, then probably KO already. I mean the uptrend KO HIBISCS you have to watch 1.57 okay. Now it's breaking out today, volume 3 million to 21 million, so up 7%. These are, and red color momentum came in, so this one probably is the better one okay. But you need to stay above 1.75 If you cannot hold 1.75, be careful. But if you drop below 1.41, probably koyak already. Okay. But these are the better one Petron also Petron, remember I told you right? Petron, we saw the flat pattern, so after breakout, so Petron probably got chance to go to 3.9 or 4.12 area okay. This one also red color momentum came in, so this one a better one. 46,000 to 191,000 volume not that good, not that much but the chart looks better okay. Let's restore, nothing much, need to break to 20 cents. Today Wasco also got some momentum. Wasco need to watch 98 cents. If you break 98, then maybe got chance. Got red color coming. This one you have to watch 98 cents. 500,000 to 2 million so they are the increase in volume also. Yinsen just stuck here so Yinsen not moving much also. So these are the few that I'm not this few I'm more interest okay on this HENGYUAN, Petron and HIBISCS okay. SDG this is usually downtrend. Today got some momentum but it's still downtrending. Yes, Malaysia. Yes, Malaysia almost at the high here. I'm not very keen. Dongguan, remember we are saying that it's trying to rebound from bottom so it got chance for a rebound or maybe even up to here. Okay, it's still making higher low, higher high. I'm not saying bull market but you look at the auto profit secret value investing so this will have a small, at least a small rebound coming okay. hopefully lah. Okay, so this is starting to rebound. I'm not saying you can go very far, but it's very low lah. Okay, the price is very low and it's rebounding lah according to our strategy lah. Okay, Tomei rebound a bit, but the gold I think still a bit too high lah to chase, but it's still on this downtrend lah. Okay, I'm not very keen also lah. I'm not saying cannot go up lah. Maybe still can go a bit higher, 1.8, or maybe still can go lah, but I'm not very keen to chase now lah. Okay. Toyowen. Toyowen very volatile lah. I don't dare to play lah. So Toyowen 46 cents lah, the big resistance. If big 46, then maybe can go lah. But you see move a bit already 12% lah. If it drop a bit already 20%. So normally I don't play too fast for me lah. Charimin also lah, still downtrending lah. So not, you got big resistance over here lah. Big resistance over here. 72 cents lah. So need to break through first lah. Wasco, Amada. So all this already done lah. Okay, so we have to watch another. We have to watch tonight, see what happened lah. Okay, what is retaliation from Iran, and what is the tonight how this whether this Israel is going to continue to do the air strike lah. Okay, I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.